Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to stop Glow Data Bundle Auto Renewal on your phone with a simple code. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to head over to your dialer. The next thing you need to do is to dial *301#, hit on send. Next thing you need to do is to click on here, and here what you need to do is to enter 4 and click on send, and this is going to pump up right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on here and enter 4, and then having entered 4, click on send. Now if you are on auto renewal data plan, you will receive a message that your auto renewal data plan has been successfully cancelled on your Glow mobile data. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about Glow data plan like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.